Yeah, getting some fence line, got through this thicket, getting some posts in. Right this minute, looking at this clump of maples. Say the goal's to save the maple and do like a sugar shack thing someday here. But something like that I'm not sure about. Do I thin that out or just leave it? Like clean all the junk fur around here. Leave that white birch. Leave that little yellow birch. But say that maple, right? Do you cull like this piece? One there maybe? Probably take these crappy ones easy enough, but hey, if anybody knows anything about clumpy maples, let me know in the comments, please. So these posts went in good, right to here. Good ledge. There's only 2 inches of soil here, so had to get creative. Hold that post up. Now, we'll cut through to here. Get kind of this natural clearing here. Clean this up. Road's right there where I'm going to. And cedar blew down on me here, so I'm gonna have a few cedar posts. Probably just cut the rest of that cedar down too. And the bigger parts of the tree, I'm thinking they'd make good gate posts. Got them 10 feet long or something. Get them dig down 4 feet wherever you're putting your gate. So anyway, feeling a little better. Still kind of sick, but right now, if I can kind of get this out, fence out to there, rest the rest of the day. Anyway, let's get at this. All right, well, 3 cedar posts in here. Actually, that one I braced up down there in that ledge rock. That one's cedar. And I got 4 more cedars here. That biggest one, I think I'll use for a corner out there by the road. And it's gonna be iffy how much soil I got in here. Yeah. Get some grass growing in here, that'll build some soil. So, as long as I get enough to hold some posts. If not, I'll just have to get creative. Hold them up. Alrighty. That one's in. That's gonna be my corner post. Road's like right there. I want to widen all my roads out, so I don't want to go right to the edge. Just gonna put it like right here. It's all rock. So it means you get the post in there. Yeah. Oh. Clean this dead one up. Do some more posts here. I don't think I'm going to do any action shots today. Just not with it enough for that. So, yeah, you get a bit of a span right here. Get all the cedar posts in. I think I'm just going to have to quit. I'm playing out quick here. So, I think I'll just leave my fencing at this. Possibly, maybe I'll go find something easy to do, like paint my manure spreader or something. If I do that, then I'll do some video of it. If I don't, the video ends here. Oh, and I do get a question. I don't know if anybody will know, but I want some type of a camera. GoPro won't work, but I need like a camera I can Bluetooth to my iPhone so I can get some fishing videos when that trap net stuff gets going. So, I just can't video with my phone on the fishing boat, so if I had like some type of camera on me, I'd probably do something. So anyway, I'm just not sure what to do with that. So anyway, so this will either be it for the video. It's not much of a video today, but now I'm rambling just because I'm sick. So say we'll end this here or paint the manure spreader, one or the other.